guys, it's Gracie with WTI. If you've been on the hunt for some glass storage containers, look no further because these containers from FineDine are exactly what you need. Not only are they great for storing your leftovers, but you can also freeze your food directly in this container. But wait, it gets better. You can take it directly out of the freezer and put it into the oven. How amazing is that? So this glass is made to withstand the quick temperature changes from the freezer to the oven. So you know it's safe to do that. You know it's not gonna crack or break on you. And you've got the plastic lid with the 4 locking tabs. And then it's got this blue rubber gasket around the lid. And this little gasket is what helps to make these containers 100% leak proof. And I did not believe it, so I tested it for myself. I filled a container with some water, of course, put the lid on there. Look at this, guys. I can twist this, shake it, and not even one drop comes out. I can leave it upside down for minutes without having to worry about anything. Another thing that I like about this rubber gasket around the lid is that it is removable. So I really like to separate these two when I'm washing dishes just to make sure that I get everything nice and clean. They are BPA-free, so it makes me feel safe knowing I can just pop these containers directly into the microwave or the oven without my food being contaminated by any kind of chemicals. These containers have come in so handy in my kitchen. I've actually used these as serving bowls as well. And afterwards, if I have any leftovers, I just pop the lid on and I'm good to go. So it's time to toss out those old plastic containers that you've had for years. You know, the ones with the stained rim around it, or the ones that just keep smelling like food because you've used them way too many times. Because with these, you don't have to worry about any of that. And that's my point of view.